So today, these boys are 2 weeks old, 14 days. As you can tell, they're pretty content. They're not going to be doing too much at this age. The eyes are just starting to open. They've been able to hear a little bit now for a few days. So let's just see how they are like this. We put them in a new environment. Yes. Good. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Good. And this boy, you can tell, that's a true black sable. See that? There's no undercoat there. That means there never will be. Here, you've got an undercoat. If you can look close, the black is on top and the brown is under. He is not that way. That's true black sable. That's how you can tell. Good. Good. Yeah, I know it's starting to get warm out, isn't it? I'm going to go ahead and put you guys back, okay?